Meet the HeCare ZIPPYFOLD Go, the ultimate balance of lightweight design, comfort, and everyday convenience. Weighing just 17.9 kilograms without the battery, the ZIPPYFOLD Go is incredibly light. Fold it manually and lift it with ease. Whether you're heading out for errands or off on an adventure, it's ready when you are. The powerful 24-volt 12-amp lithium battery is fully removable, so you can charge it separately. No need to bring the whole scooter inside. With 8-inch solid tires, a smooth brushless 270-watt motor, and ABS electromagnetic brakes, every journey is safe, steady, and comfortable. Cruise at a steady 4 miles per hour, travel up to 11 miles, and carry up to 120 kilograms with confidence. Take on inclines up to 12 degrees, and enjoy a ground clearance of 80 millimeters for curves and uneven terrain. ZIPPYFOLD Go, light to lift, easy to fold, and built to move with you. Order your ZIPPYFOLD Go today and rediscover the joy of getting out and about your way.